Seems like there's two Walkie Talkies, a pink version and a yellow version. There's indoor and outdoor carts for more indoor and outdoor fun. There's two versions of this game. One, which is the light play, which you can play with two people, like your friend or your buddy. Or there's a second one that's perfect for birthday parties because it's a team play. Looks like we need a spy master to read us the mission cards. Oh, spy master!
Yes? New recruits, welcome to our Trendy Pro tribe. I am the Spy Master. You have been chosen to participate in the Spy Scavenger Hunt Challenge. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to complete the spy trading and spy mission to gain points and win the game. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
To complete your mission, you must be trained. To remain undercover, spies are usually preferred by their special code names and handshake.
It seems like I need more crew members to help me with this mission. Oh, Trendy Mom!
Spy Mom, I'm ready for the mission.
Okay guys, now I think it's time for your secret handshake.
Hi, my secret name is Spy High Applebite. Who are you?
I'm Spy Guy Pigs Fly.
Let's do our secret handshake.
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It is very important for spies to be able to communicate secretly. Are you ready to learn the secret spy language?
Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to learn a new secret spy language. Does that mean we get to communicate to each other without mom understanding us? Good thing this reference card teaches us how to do it.
You are now located at the spy base. Critical objects have been stolen and scattered all over the spy station. Your job as a spy is to retrieve the items for points. Whoever gets the most points wins the game. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Already on it.
Bye.
Okay, spy, what is your 20? Okay, spy, are you ready for your first word? The first word is all dog. Try to decode it. Okay, use your reference card to find the phonetic alphabet. It's spelled O for Oscar, L for Lima, L for Lima, D for Delta, A for Alpha, and H for Hotel. Got that, spy? Return to spy base once you retrieve the scattered object. Run, spy, run!
I got your Alda.
Good job, spy. You found the proper objects.
I'm glad I did.
Spy, are you ready for your second code word?
Affirmative. Ready.
Second word is Ox-saw.
Saw. Can you please spell it out for me, mission leader?
Okay, it's going to be O for Oscar, C for Charlie, K for Kilo, S for Sierra, A for Alpha, and H for Hotel. Got that, spy?
Got it. Affirmative.
Once you find the word, bring it back to spy base.
Okay. Got it.
Run fast, little spy.
Got it!
Welcome back, spies, and congratulations on a successful completion of the Scavenger Hunt mission. You have showed amazing creativity, observation, and spy skills. Don't forget that everyone's a winner in this game, and don't forget to claim your spy certificate online.
Don't worry, I won't. And I can't wait to play the outdoor version with my friends next weekend, too.
Thanks for watching and stay active!